Hey, First Impression Friday again. Today I am reviewing the Milani 2-in-1 foundation as well as a Milani concealer. All right, so let's see. Firstly, I am going in with the LA Colors orange corrector here. See, I don't normally use color corrector, but you know, I thought maybe I should try because I got about 5 or 6 different color correctors, orange and peach color correctors, and I never use them. So I figure I'd go ahead and start and see if it makes a difference. I don't know. I bought them, but never really used them. But anyway, today I decided to go in with it and to see, you know, if I really see a difference. I'm gonna have to play around with it a little bit because I'm not real familiar with color correcting, but I thought it may help me some with my textured skin. So anywho, we will see how that plays out. All right, I am taking 3 pumps of the foundation here, and as always I start out on the cheeks and then just take it all around. And I am using my I believe that is the beauty sponge. I can't tell because of where my hands are placed. I'm talking. I believe it's the AOA from Shop Miss A beauty sponge. Oh no, I can tell that's the BH Cosmetics beauty sponge that I'm using there. I don't know if that makes a difference to anyone, but just thought I would tell you exactly what the product or the tool is that I'm using. And yeah, that's the BH Cosmetics beauty sponge. I am taking my Laura Mercier powder in medium deep, and I am setting my face, which I generally don't do, but this foundation was a little bit more dewy than I was anticipating, but the foundation is absolutely beautiful. I love it, love it, love it, I do. All right, and now I'm going in with the Milani concealer here. And I'm also going to use the BH Cosmetics sponge to blend this out as well. All right, I am now using my Kat Von D Peach Brightening Powder under my eyes. I really like this setting powder for under your eyes because if you put in too dark of a concealer under your eyes, if you put this brightening powder on top, it'll still brighten and you can hardly tell the difference, you know, that you use too dark of a concealer. I've done that before, but anyway, and then when you do use the right color concealer under your eyes and then use the brightening powder, woo-wee, gives a beautiful, beautiful look. And I just love this setting powder anyway. It's beautiful. I know I look a little ghostly right there, but don't you worry, it will all, you know, match in the end because, you know, you got to add the rest of the fixings to make the face look good there. And now I'm going in with another Kat Von D product. This is one of her blushes. And again, all the colors will be listed in the description. That blush is really, really pretty. I really like that blush a lot. Like I said, I have so many blushes and I'm just now starting to explore them because I have been a die-hard Tarte blush girl, natural beauty. I mean, like with every single look. And then when I ran out, it caused me to have to use a whole bunch of my other ones. All right, now I'm going in with the It's My RayeRaye and BH Cosmetics combo or collaboration, and I'm using the 2 contour shades together there, and that is what I'm going to contour my face with today. Beautiful contour, by the way. Going in with my Smashbox highlight today. The name will be listed in the bottom. Like everything else, I'm using my Brightning Rock fan brush to go ahead and put that in. I chose that one today because this highlight is like a pinky tone, and that's the type highlighter I was looking for today. I wasn't looking for nothing that's really brightening or anything like that. Even though this is very, very beautiful, it's very subtle, but it's also, you know, really nice. I mean, nice. Come on, man. I don't even think I need to tell you what this is and how much I love it. Skip. Alrighty, today your girl is using a lip liner from MAC, and that's a Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick, and those colors will be listed below. And I don't know, somehow I feel like I should start using lip liners more too, because I got so much stuff and I just, you know, I buy and never use. So I figure might as well go ahead and use the stuff that I be buying and just putting to the side. So yeah, went ahead and used the lip liner and applied the lip gloss, and I think it came out very, very cute. All right, this is the finished look. As for the foundation and concealer, they both get a yay, yay, yay. Very, very pretty, blends beautifully, and looks very, very natural. I love it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Pictures up next.